What's up, YouTube? Just tapping in with the family, guys. Listen, I got a little video for you guys on today. I want to just put this out here so that I can make sure that I'm continuously helping you guys know how to navigate, but more importantly, mitigate risks as much as you can during these volatile times. So keep it locked, guys. I got something that I think going to really be a huge help for you guys, and it's on top of everything we've already kind of talked about, discussed, and taught about. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into it on the day. Okay, guys, for this example, for this teaching purpose, we are going to be discussing Apple. I'm going to use this because this is a large mega cap stock. Okay, it is actually the number one biggest company in the stock market. Is also the highest weighted company in the S&P and in the indexes. Okay, but it is starting to show some weakness, and so I want to teach about how you guys can take advantage of what you see. Now listen, as investors, guys, as traders, we can never time the market. We can never know precisely to a T every single thing it's going to do. What we can do is prepare for things we know that are to come. Okay, we can prepare for things we know that are to come. So what does that mean? Check it out, guys. I've told you levels, and I taught you guys about key support levels, critical support levels, resistance levels, and how they all factor into how stocks move on a daily. Okay, so let's just look at some bottoms or support levels. I want to just walk you guys through a couple things, and then I want to show you how to take advantage of this. Apple, I told you the levels. 157 and above is bullish. Bullish means the stock is going to go up. If it's 157, it's going to go to 160. From 160, 163, 166, all the way to 175. When it can't get through 175, it's going to get smacked back down to the first level of support, which is 157. Okay, you guys learn that. That's just a whole bunch of money to be made right then and there. From 157, if we lose that level, losing that level means it come under 157. So from 157, it will fall to 155. Then if we can't hold 155, it's going to fall to 153. But check this out, guys. The next strong level of support was 151. But look at this. This is what I want to show you guys. Look right here, 148. We had another test here at 148, and then we shot a little bit lower, but still was 148. Okay, that lets you know you got some support there. Support means a bottom, at least temporarily, is holding up decent once it falls to that level, and then it bounces back up to a level that was, again, not only discussed, but it's comfortable being at 151. It don't want to be at 150. It definitely don't want to be at 148. That doesn't mean it can't touch it, but then it's going to bounce back to its comfort zone. With that being said, whether the market is going to go up or down from here, we will all see together tomorrow. But what I can tell you, at some point, no matter if you're day trading, swing trading, doing longer term options, all stocks will come down at some point, whether throughout the day or just in general. Here's what I want you to be prepared for. Guys, this is about how to put your stop loss on your play so you can crush these plays more than we already do. So we about to take it to a whole nother level, and I want you guys to check this out. All right, so if you hit trade, we're going to go to trade options. Okay, we'll put this out for September 30th to give ourselves some time. If we were going to do a put, okay, let's just grab something for the low. All right, let's just say this 143 put, okay, on Apple. This is for teaching purposes. I just want to show you guys something. All right, if you get into this and you hit buy, all right, watch this, guys. When you're at this juncture, so they want us to buy at a limit price of 170. Okay, you guys know my rules. I never buy what Wall Street or money makers are forcing you to buy. I always try to get a better entry. I'm always going to buy low. Okay, I'm always going to try to get 168. Okay, something lower than whatever they're posing. It just gives me a better. I'm already up when the play is filled most of the time. But watch this, guys. If you hit this top limit order and you hit right here where it's a stop limit order, now look at my options chain. Okay, this is the difference. Some of you guys, I know I talked to the whole family. I talked to so many of you guys on so many levels: text, email, phone calls, coaching calls, the whole nine. you guys are making money. We got to work on risk management. Okay, I want to see you guys maintain the money that you make. I want to see you guys see profit and take profit even more consistently than what you guys have begun to do. But this is how you put a stop loss on your options. Okay, look at how my options look different. Okay, now this limit price area, I'll go right to this. Let's just say we got this at 168 and our order got filled, but say it just went the opposite way. Okay, when you got in, you know, if you got that luck, again, be real, be honest with yourself up front. If you the type of person, man, every time you get in, it fall further and then you're down too much, you might say, you know what, I'm getting in at 168, but in case this comes down to, let's just say, I want this to get me out if this goes down too much. And let's just say let's just use 0.58. Okay, now we know if we get in, we're getting in lower than the 170. Okay, guys, then most likely it's going to go up. So it's going to go to 170, but we got in at 168. We already up $2 on our contract as soon as we get in. Ideally, we want it to go up 170, 175, 185, 260, boom. Okay, we wanted to go up, we make a killing. But in the event it goes down, look at where you guys got your stop set. So boom, you get in, and then say just whatever reason, the Fed comes out and says something that goes against what you're doing. Okay, whether it's up or down. I'm just teaching you guys this. Don't worry about whether this is a call or a put. This whole principle applies no matter what you're doing. Okay, the options chain is the options chain. Okay, but I want you guys to protect yourself. Know what your risk level is first and foremost, meaning know how much you're willing to lose before you go into any play. Don't ever just go in and lose 100% of your money. Okay, I want you guys to start making sure, okay, you know what, I know there's risk associated with everything we do in this game. Okay, if you ain't with that, you shouldn't even be in the stock market. Once you accept that, then you say, but what is my risk? Everybody is different. That's why I talk to you guys so much about run your own race. Once you identify and establish what your risk level is, risk just means, man, I'm cool if I lose. I don't want to lose, but if I lose, I'm cool if I lose $100. I'm cool if I lose $250. Some people might be more risk averse than others. I know a lot of you guys gamblers, and y'all get it in at the casinos, the blackjacks, the card tech, whatever. So you guys gotta go big or go home mindset. Okay, embrace that and lean into what you are. You know you. Don't let nobody try to tell you about this game. You know you. But with that being said, know what your risk is. For me, let me just tell you guys something. I have a lot of wealth. Okay, so I teach on Robinhood and YouTube, but in real life, I come from the mud, so I'm still not in the business of losing a lot of money. However, my levels of losses on the lower end, I'll lose up to $1,500. On the higher end, I'll lose up to $5,000 before it gets my attention. Does that make sense? Okay. Other than that, I'm looking like I'm not trying to lose at all. So I try to be surgical. I try to stay in my sniper mode and just crush the stock market. Whether it's a bull market, correction, bear market, recession, what have you. Okay, know your risk tolerance level. Know what you're willing to lose, and then that's what you set this stop price at. Okay, so that way you know not only you're not blowing up your account, but you are also living to play another play. I need you guys in the game. I need you guys working to get to that 25K threshold, because we can just bust the game wide open once we're able to do that. Okay, so this is how you would do this, guys. But all in all, the one in the middle is the one that's going to go through and kick everything into action, and then from there you guys will know I got protection if this goes against me. And if you guys anything like me, sometimes as soon as I get into play, it's like, oh, now the market want to do this. Okay, but we got something for that. And this is just years of experience coming in, guys, trying to just add these layers on top of your game. There's so much I got to teach you guys that I just feel like, man, I don't want to overwhelm, but I need to get you guys the information you need so you can be more potent, more surgical in this game. So listen, guys, this is how you add a stop loss on. It is only available to you once you are in the options chain. So it's not going to pop up regularly. You got to click the drop down bar at the top, at least if you're on the Robinhood platform. Other platforms, You guys, again, try to put this on it when you are getting to your plays, whether you're doing a call, whether you're buying puts, regardless. Always protect yourself, always know your risk. Okay, with that being said, guys, man, I hope this was helpful. I hope this added some value to you. I hope this minimized some of your losses. Okay, it at least will get you in and out with a lesser loss in the event you have to take a loss. I'm teaching it from that vantage point. You ain't got to take no losses, guys. You can do this when you're up. If you already had your options and you just was curious to see how much more it's going to run, you can put this on, and then now you can again say, you know what, I'm up 30%. I kind of sometimes get out too quick and leave money on the table. Let me lock it in at 30%, but I'll let it ride to see in case it go up 100%. You can do this and change how the game go for yourself. Okay, hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 2,000 likes. Remember, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.